Okay, this is a plastic bottle that I cut into sizes, and I try to like shape it, and I use a fabric glue to wrap around this long fabric that I cut. So I just like pass it through so you don't need to sew. So this is the most simplest way to make a fabric bangle. So you can use in fabric to make it. You wrap it around severally until the plastic or any mold you want to use is fully covered with the cloth. So then you like glue it again with either the fabric glue or any glue that is suitable for you. So when you glue everything, you just let it dry, then you like stick it together, then you will be done having your own beautiful bangle that you can use anytime and anywhere you want to. So I make like 3. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.